With wings, it's all about maximizing the flavor. So I'm gonna start off with a power-packed marinade. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of ginger and some garlic, some soy sauce, and a little bit of sesame oil. Just mix that all together. When sesame meets ginger, it's a match made in heaven. That smell is beautiful. And you want to cover those up and marinate them for at least an hour. Overnight would be ideal. And now for the hot and sticky part of the equation, we're going to make our finishing sauce. So I'll start off with a little bit of sriracha and some hoisin sauce and some sweet honey and a little bit of vinegar for extra tang. And you just want to heat that through until everything's combined. Once your chicken wings have had time to marinate, just put them onto a baking tray and just pop them into a preheated oven for about 30 minutes or until they're beautiful and golden on the outside. I can smell all that ginger and garlic, it's just gorgeous. Okay, time to hit our wings with our spicy sweet sauce. So mix that around until all those wings are gorgeously coated in that beautiful